Good evening, parents and community members. This message is to address the situation of safety at Temescal Canyon High School. The Temescal Canyon High School is aware of the Facebook post that expresses concern about a student and safety issue, specifically on Friday. The district has worked closely with local law enforcement to investigate a potential threat from a student. The safety and security of our students and staff is our primary responsibility, and we take threats very seriously. As part of this effort, the district holds students accountable through suspension and expulsion due process procedures. The outcomes of the due process procedures are based on evidence presented to an impartial administrative panel and are tested against the standards for student discipline set forth in the California Education Code and the district policies. A copy of these policies can be found at our website. While we are unable to comment on any particular case or student matter, which is required to be kept confidential by state and federal law, please know that the high school took steps from the outset to ensure the student is not on any of our school campuses or at our events. The district has and will continue to implement and enforce all district policies and procedures which provide the proper education, supervision, and protection of our students and staff, which include ongoing collaboration with our local law enforcement agencies. Furthermore, it has been deemed that there is no credible threat to students, staff, or community members at this time. We hope this addresses any concerns you may have regarding this matter. Thank you.